honorable chief guests, respected chairman, leading members of the community, doctors, colleagues, and friends, welcome. As a part of its 25th year anniversary celebration, Dr. Moopen Group, the leading healthcare conglomerate in the GCC region in India, launches today yet another initiative to give back to the community. STUB. The Stop Tobacco Initiative is one of many by Aster Community Good Health Program. This year, CGHP also launches the Road Safety and Accident Prevention Program, aiming at increasing awareness about traffic accidents. At Dr. Moopen Group, our commitment to the community is infinite, and so as our efforts. Everyone, welcome again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guests and representatives of our valuable partners. Receiving them from Dr. Moopen Group, I would like to call upon our respected chairman, Dr. Azad Moopen, to do the honor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Respected distinguished guests, the representatives of Dubai Healthcare Authority, Dubai Municipality, Gulf News, and my dear colleagues from DM Healthcare, as well as other guests who have come to witness this occasion. I consider it a great privilege to stand before you this evening. Even though it's a very small crowd, it sends out a very big message. We all have been seeing for thousands of years smoke going up and lives also going up along with that. And it has not been the first time, the 10th time, the 100th time, or the 1000th time, or millions of times that it has been told that smoking is injurious to health and people should stop smoking. But there is a reality that's happening, that still millions of people die of smoking worldwide. The recent statistics tells that 500,000 people die due to the ill effects of tobacco in the United States alone, which tells us what the numbers will be. Unfortunately, this is a habit to which many people are hooked at very young age, which goes to the brain. It's said that it goes into the brain, the tobacco smoke that you inhale reaches the brain faster than an IV injection of heroin. It's so fast. So you get hooked to it and then it's not very easy to get out of it. But the good thing is that people are becoming aware of it and trying to get out of it. That has been happening for many years. We find more of older people smoking than youngsters, which is a very good sign. Earlier it all used to be in colleges, in schools even, you used to see a lot of people smoking. But now it is changing, that we find that there is a trend where the youngsters have realized the hazards of smoking, which has happened only due to the tremendous amount of awareness that has been created by the different media and the social organizations. And the best thing that has happened over the last maybe 10-15 years is the very strong actions taken by the authorities, including the governments as well as the local bodies, against smoking. We see a lot of places where smoking is banned. There are countries where it is completely banned. There are places or municipalities or big metropolitan cities where many areas you are not allowed to smoke and you have to go around to look for a place to smoke. That's a tremendous step forward in controlling this greatest menace that mankind is facing. It's happening. You find lot of people unable to smoke even if they have the urge to smoke, which I am sure is going to help a lot. And this beautiful country, this beautiful city has to, as in many other things, be an example for this great movement which is happening worldwide. I am sure that this small initiative which we started as part of our community good health program, especially in this 25th year when we are focusing on more of doing something which will help people not to approach us. Actually, as somebody said that it is actually what you are doing is something which will reduce your business. Somebody was joking to me. I said that that's the best thing. We have to see that people don't come to doctors, because one of the most important reasons why people visit doctors is due to the hazards of smoking. Be it any organ in your body. We know heart attack, how it is related to smoking. We know cancers, all the cancers, not only lung cancer, any cancer for that matter, we know that how it is related to smoking. We know most of the illnesses, GI troubles, neurological troubles, sexual problems, lot of things are related to infertility. I need not tell about the reason. There are 4,600 chemicals in the smoke, of which 70 are carcinogenic, which produces cancer. Like that, lot of statistics are there, which I need not tell you. You read it every time in the newspapers. But the good thing is that people are becoming aware and more people are trying to get out of it. And we have to support the people who actually want to get out of it but are unable to get out of because of the hooking of this great bad habit, which they are, even if they want, they can't get out of it. So we are trying to do that, and the government is trying to help through various methods. And we dedicate ourselves for this during this period, and we will be doing the campaign not only in our clinics and our pharmacies, but we are taking it to the people, like to the parks and other public places, and trying to increase awareness along with Gulf News, which has been in the forefront of all such social activities and supporting such causes in the Emirate as well as in other areas. I profusely thank the people from the government bodies who have come here, Dr. Ahmed Ibrahim Saif, CEO of the Dubai Healthcare Authority, Primary Healthcare Division, and Dr. Maha Ahmed Mohammed, Head of Chief Executive of the Primary Healthcare Service, and Mr. Mohammed Hassan Al Fardan, the Head of Public Parks, and Mr. Mohammed Sabedi, representative from Gulf News, who has graced the occasion, and all the others who have attended. I don't want to prolong. I just want to tell you that if you can convert during this campaign at least one smoker into non-smoker, each one of us sitting here, that will be the greatest service that we are doing, not only to that person, but also to the community, because the smoke, unlike other things that you are habituated, heroin or alcohol, is something which is going to have effect on others also. Passive smoking, which can affect even children, which can even produce death of children, called neonatal death, infant death syndrome, is and can produce problems like asthma and all exacerbating in children. And everyone around is something which is going to be a great, savior for the mankind. I'm sorry that I didn't mention the name of Dr. Hanan, who has been always supportive, and she is like a family for us. So I thought that we should not, consider her as a guest because she participates in all our functions and whenever we require, she is there. And I take this opportunity to remind you that we have to be in the forefront to kill this habit and stub it out. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of His Excellency Qadi Said Al-Murashid, Director General of Dubai Health Authority, I would like to extend our thanks and appreciation to the DM Healthcare Aster Group for their initiative and support in collaboration with Dubai Municipality and Dubai Health Authority and Gulf News. Today I am pleased to share with you launching your campaign against tobacco, Stop It, which translates the health message and the vision of Dubai Health Authority, and this will strengthen its determined effort to preserve the health and safety of the community. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last century, smoking killed more than 100 million people around the world, and according to the expectation of WHO, this century it is expected to kill a billion people. Prevention of diseases and avoiding its negative consequences become a health priority. DM Healthcare, this team, and to everybody that put an office fingerprint on this successful event, which we are all proud of it. Thank you very much, and all the best, inshallah, for this campaign.
There is no smoking allowed in the parks, exactly with shisha everywhere in the park or all Dubai public parks. And hopefully this campaign will help us to support our vision, our idea of smoking even cigarettes in public parks. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for using our park to initiate this program. And thank you so much.